Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you are tuning in. My name is Rachel Goldsworthy, and today I'm joined by Gemma Healy. We're on our way back to Sydney. We have travelled all the way just to catch up with a band that your dad loved, all of our friends loved, Air Supply. We were going to catch it at the Sydney, what was it, State Theatre and Opera House, and we had a few problems with the tickets. So we ended up coming to Brisbane, Brisvegas, as some of us say. Brisbane.
Sorry.
And it was a lot of fun. And I guess that's what this 2mm is all about today, is spending more time with family and friends like you may be doing, and as we did this weekend. We had a lot of fun. What did you get out of this weekend, Jem?
A lot. The weather is lovely. It's gorgeous.
It's cracking out there. Like, look at the weather. I mean, there's a couple of planes out there. I'm not too sure whether you can see them or not.
It was just so good to get away.
Yeah, really good to spend some time. Just take a couple of days out. That's all we did. And I don't know. It's just good to think about things. We got to go on the ferry, got to walk along the beach. We got to...
Underground speakeasies, the markets.
What was it? The speakeasies?
Pool. Oh, it kind of was a speakeasy. It was more of a cafe bar. But
oh, yes. Cafe bar in the middle of Queen Street Mall. Did some shopping. What else did we do?
By the pool, lounge by the pool.
Yeah, it was a lovely saltwater pool at the hotel.
Pizza.
Late night pizza. I had a late night pasta. Kebabs, they were good. And just travelling, like literally Brisbane, Gold Coast, you're an hour and a half away from Sydney, so you could easily hop on a plane. And equally, you could go down to, I was down at Tassie a couple of weeks ago and just catching up with a beautiful friend down there, and it's just nice to be able to do that. So I implore all of you to take some time out for your family and friends, whether it's a 80th birthday party that we celebrated last week, wasn't it, for Warren and Carol? Or alternatively other people that are no longer with us, and anniversaries coming up for that, so we're thinking of everybody. But I hope you have a great week ahead. Maybe book in a time with a family member or a friend that you haven't spoken to for a while, and I don't know whether you have to catch a plane or just catch up for coffee. I love catching up with coffee with a bunch of friends, and Gemma, of course. She does a great job in the office. We work beside one another. The anniversary of her working with me it's coming up, what is it, 7 years, 8 years?
7 years, 8 years.
We keep saying 8 years. We think it's 8, but it might be 7. We're unsure. She used to work at Gloria Jeans, and funnily enough, Gloria Jeans was the gentleman that picked us up at the airport. Same guy. What are the chances of that? So whether you are catching a plane, train, I mean, even the ferry, I spent a day on the ferry, and that was like literally 50 cents on, hop off, hop off. There was hop on, hop off. There was the museums, the State Library.
Plenty of cafes and restaurants.
There was a Ferris wheel that you could get into and just have a look at everything that was there. You can hop off and on the red buses. And
if you're scared of heights, do not recommend the Ferris wheel.
I totally scared of heights and did not enjoy it very much.
Let's not talk about the first round. It was no.
And then when people swap sides because they just feel like, I want to get a bit better view on this side. Well, let me tell you, the whole thing rocks from side to side, and you're just sort of thinking, what is going on?
No.
No.
Been there, done it.
So there you have it. Take a short trip somewhere, wherever it may be, with family and friends. Take care of yourselves and each other, and look forward to catching up with you on the next 2mm next week. And we'll have something a little bit more meatier, but I just sort of think sometimes family and friends are the meaty part of what we do in life, and it's important to spend it with those that you really love, enjoy, and all of the rest of that, enjoy spending time with those people. So any parting words, Jem?
Safe travel. I was going to say safe travels, but I mean, safe travels, Rachel. I don't.
Safe travels, Gemma. All right, take care of yourselves.
It's like one of those things when you're like even at the cinema and they're like, enjoy, and you're like, you too. Enjoy.
All right, enjoy the cinemas, enjoy your family and friends, the time, maybe a baked dinner with Mum. I'm going to catch up with you this week, Mum. We'll have a salad sandwich or something like that, and Dad, I'll probably catch up for a coffee with you, and I'll try and catch up with a few other people, seeing I'll be back in Sydney soon. All right then, take care of yourselves and each other, and look forward to catching up with you on the next 2mm next week. Bye for now. Bye. Oh, and P.S. I've got one special really special announcement that I'll be making probably during the week or next week, just depending on what that is. So stay tuned. Big news is coming and I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. Okay, take care. Bye for now.